Jaguar X-Type there. But we've got the Rover 800 here, our reg around about 19. Oh, the Rover 800 Coupe, I should say. With leather and all that. Some people have actually left. We've also got some very interesting earlier examples of the Rover 75s. Connoisseur there. And this one is from, well, there's a lot of information here. 2.5 V6 Connoisseur there. And 1999. Sold 1999, but registered in the 14th of April 2000. S registration here, very early 75 V6 there. Two very similar cars here, same colour. I did see about 3 years ago two of those up from Plymouth, but I don't think they're up. I think one was a T-Reg of those. This is by SMC Rover, they're part of the owner club as well. That's in Slough and Berkshire. I think they had some of the last 75s. Working on down here. 75s and ZTs. 200 Coupe turbo there. Most people, of course, but they own the clubs as well.